Hello everyone, welcome to this ninth lecture of Introduction to Power Quality and Facts. So, in this lecture, we will be discussing fact system. Student, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest update and notification of my lecture. In a fact system, shunt connected controller we are going to discuss. These are the parts: static synchronous compensator, short form we know that SATCOM, static synchronous generator SSG, battery energy storage system BESS, superconducting magnetic energy storage SMEC, static VAR compensator SVC, thyristor controlled reactor ICR, thyristor switched reactor TCR, thyristor switched capacitor TSC, static VAR generator or absorber SVG, static VAR system SYC, thyristor controlled braking resistor TCBR. These are the contents which we are going to discuss now. As you know, shunt connected controller. In shunt connected controller, static synchronous compensator SATCOM, a static synchronous generator operated as a shunt connected static VAR compensator whose capacitive or inductive output current can be controlled independent of the AC system voltage. SATCOM is one of the key fact controller. It can be used, it can be based on a voltage sourced or current sourced converter. Figure 1.5a, this figure 1.5a shows a simple one-line diagram of SATCOM based on voltage sourced converter and a current source converter. As mentioned before, from an overall cost point of view, the voltage source converter seems to be preferred and will be the basis for presentation of most converter based fact controller. For the voltage source converter, its AC output voltage is controlled such that it is just right for the required reactive current flow. For any AC bus voltage, DC capacitor voltage is automatically adjusted as required to serve as voltage source for the converter. SATCOM can be designed to also act an active filter to absorb power system harmonics. These are the figures of SATCOM, SVC. Okay. SATCOM is defined above by IEEE is a subset of the broad-based shunt-connected controller, which includes the possibility of an active power source or storage on the DC side, so that the injected current may include active power. Such a controller is defined static synchronous generator, a static self-commutated switching power converter supplied from an appropriate electric energy source and operated to produce a set of adjustable multi-phase output voltage, which may be coupled to an AC power system for the purpose of exchanging independently controllable real and reactive power. Clearly, SSG is a combination of SATCOM and an energy source to supply or absorb power. The term SSG generalizes connecting any source of energy including a battery, flywheel, superconducting magnet, large DC storage capacitor, another rectifier, inverter, etc., An electronic interface known as a chopper is generally needed between the energy source and the converter. For a voltage sourced converter, the energy source serves to appropriately compensate the capacitor charges through the electronic interface and maintain the required capacitor voltage. Within the definition of SSG is also the Battery Energy Storage System BESS defined by IEEE. The BESS, a chemical-based energy storage system using shunt-connected voltage source converter capable of rapidly adjusting the amount of energy which is supplied it to or absorbed from an AC system. Figure 1.5b shows a simple one-line diagram in which storage means is connected to a SATCOM. For transmission application, BESS storage unit size would tend to be small, a few tens of megawatt hours, and if the short time converter rating was large enough, it could deliver megawatts with a megawatt hours ratio for transient stability. The converter can also simultaneously absorb or deliver reactive power within the converter's MVA capacity. When not supplying active power to the system, the converter is used to charge the battery at an acceptable rate. Yet, another subset of SSG suitable for transmission application is the superconducting magnetic energy storage, which is defined by a superconducting electromagnetic energy storage device containing electronic converter that rapidly inject and or absorb real or reactive power or dynamically control power flow in an AC system. Since the DC current in the magnet does not change rapidly, the power input or output of the magnet is changed by controlling the voltage across the magnet with a suitable electronic interface for connection to a SATCOM. Static VAR compensator, this is very important, SVC, a shunt connected static VAR generator or absorber whose output is adjusted to exchange capacitive or inductive current so as to maintain or control a specific parameter for the electrical power system, typically bus voltage. This is a general term for thyristor controlled or thyristor switched reactor and or thyristor switched capacitor or combination. SVC is based on thyristor without the gate turn-off capability. It includes separate equipment for leading and lagging VAR. The thyristor controlled or thyristor switched reactor for absorbing reactive power and thyristor switched capacitor for supplying the reactive power. SVC is considered by some as a low-cost alternative to SATCOM, although this may not be the case if comparison is made based on the required performance and not just the MVA size. Thyristor controlled reactor TCR, a shunt connected thyristor controlled inductor whose capacity, whose effective reactance is varied in a continuous manner by partial conduction control of the thyristor value. TCR is a subset of SVC in which conduction time and hence current in a shunt reactor is controlled by a thyristor based AC switch with firing angle control, figure 1.5c. Now next, thyristor switch reactor TSR, a shunt connected thyristor switch inductor whose effective reactance is varied in a stepwise manner by full or zero conduction operation of the thyristor value. TSR in figure 1.5c is another subset of SVC TSR is made up of several shunt connected inductor which are switched in and out by thyristor switches without any firing control, angle control, in order to achieve the required step change in the reactive power consumed from the system. Use of thyristor switch without firing angle control result in lower cost and losses, but without a continuous control. Now next, thyristor switched capacitor (TSC), a shunt connected thyristor switch capacitor whose effective reactance is varied in a stepwise manner by full or zero conduction operation of the thyristor value. The SVG is as a board broadly defined by IEEE is simply a reactive power source that with appropriate control can be converted into a specific or multi-purpose reactive shunt compensator. Thus, both the SVC and the STATCOM are static VAR generator required with appropriate control loop to vary the VAR output so as to meet a specific compensation objective. Static VAR system, a combination of different static and mechanically switched VAR compensators whose outputs are coordinated. Thyristor controlled braking resistor, a shunt connected thyristor switch resistor which is controlled to add stabilization of a power system or to minimize power acceleration of a generating unit during a disturbance. TCBR involves cycle by cycle switching of a resistor with a thyristor based AC switch with firing angle control. For lower cost, TCBR may be thyristor switched, that is without firing angle control. However, with firing angle control, half cycle by half cycle firing control can be utilized to selectively damp low frequency oscillation. Okay, student? Thank you.